So how I beginning to make business, it was something like that. I don't understand nothing, but then it's beginning to make sense. I want to tell you that for make more $400,000 the last year, I need to do a lot of things, but not this form. So the first thing that I want to say is sorry because my English is not that well, but it's not important. I teach you how to make money today, okay? How I make more for 100,000 Ks in the last year. It was easy. I did a lot of things. I sell mojitos in the beach. Also, I make plan of training and do this, do this, do this. And you know what happened? I lost all the money. You know what? Because it's easy. If you not put attention in just one thing, it doesn't matter that you make a lot of things. If you want to run a business, you need to do only one thing and be the best in this thing. If you are coaching, be the best in coaching. If you are selling mojitos, be the best selling mojito. That is even if you make coffee, you can do the best person selling coffee around the world. This is how you working, this is how you keeping a very good business. But even with all this mistake, I'm thankful. You know what? Because all this business have one thing in common. Make one base. Every have one product or service. And it's really important how to know to sell. And if you are a person that you want to say me that, I don't like to sell, you are selling that like a person that you don't want to grow up in the life, because everything in your life that you're doing, you are selling. Even if you work in a coffee shop, even if you work in a computer, for example like this. Sorry for my drawings, it's not the best, but the important is the message, okay? So, even if you don't work, you don't sell nothing, but you are selling that, okay, I don't want nothing in the life. Anyways, look, the thing is, here, when you sell, every business that you have make one thing in common. Sell. And sell is money. What I mean, if you are working for other person for $10 per hour, why you don't, instead to work for other person, try to make your business and try to sell for yourself to everyone, because it's the same thing. I know that it's hard in the beginning, but in long term, in long time, it make more sense that you are working for other person. If you are looking for the work, the job, you are selling yourself. Independent of that, make one good thing, very, very good. Everyone have a skill. Everyone have something that the other people want. This is the important thing that you need it. Anyways, if you want to learn how to make money, put me in the comment what do you want to see. Pay me.